Welcome to this deep dive into DevOps. In the world of modern software development, speed, efficiency, and reliability are the key. DevOps is the bridge between development and operations, fostering collaborations, automation, and continuous improvement. This session will cover the core principles of DevOps, infrastructure as a code, and continuous integration, all crucial elements for better software delivery. DevOps culture revolves around breaking down silos between development and operations team. The key principles include collaboration, that is, ensuring developers and operations work as one team, communication, establishing continuous feedback loops, and continuous improvement, focusing on process enhancement for long-term efficiency. Why should organizations adopt DevOps? The benefits are clear: faster release cycles, higher software quality, fewer manual errors thanks to the automation. Companies like Amazon and Google have embraced DevOps to accelerate software delivery while maintaining system reliability. DevOps relies on powerful tools to automate tasks and streamlining workflows. Some of the most commonly used tools include Jenkins for CI and CD automation, Docker for containerization, Kubernetes for managing the containers, Git for version control. Infrastructure as a code, IaC, revolutionize infrastructure management by treating configurations as a code. Declarative approach, example, Terraform, define the desired state and the system makes it happen. Imperative approach, example is Ansible, specify step-by-step instructions to reach the final state. Popular IaC tools include Terraform, that is ideal for cloud infrastructure, Ansible, great for configuration management, Puppet and Chef, excellent for system automation. Best practices for IaC include using version control, that's Git, for tracking changes, writing modular and reusable code, ensuring idempotency, executing the same code multiple times with consistent results. Let's see IaC in action. Here's an example of Terraform automating cloud infrastructure provisioning, enabling fast and error-free deployment. Continuous integration automates code integration and testing. It differs from continuous deployment, where changes are automatically pushed to production. Key benefits: CI helps detect bugs early, whereas CD automates releases, reducing manual intervention. A typical CI pipeline includes source code management, using Git to track changes, build automation, using tools like Maven to compile code, test automation, running unit and integration test with JUnit and Selenium. These steps ensures faster feedback loops and early bug detection. Setting up CI pipeline in Jenkins involves connecting a Git repository, configuring build triggers, running automated tests, and deploying successful builds. This automation ensures a smooth software delivery process. To maximize DevOps success, follow these best practices. Encourage collaborative workflows with shared responsibility. Use automation and monitoring to maintain system health. Implement security from the start, that is DevSecOps. Many industry leaders have successfully adopted DevOps. Netflix uses CI and CD pipelines to deploy updates seamlessly. Amazon implements IaC for scalable cloud infrastructure. Despite challenges like deployment delays and tool integration issues, these companies have optimized their workflows through DevOps. To stay ahead in DevOps, continuous learning is key. Join DevOps Forum, attend meetups, and pursue certifications like AWS Certified DevOps Engineer, HashiCorp Terraform certification. These resources will help you advance in your DevOps journey. DevOps is more than just a methodology. It's a culture that drives efficiency, innovation, and collaboration. The key takeaways: DevOps enhances software quality and speed. IaC automates infrastructure, reducing manual errors. CI and CD ensure smooth deployment and quick feedback loops. Now it's your turn. Share your expertise and questions in the QA. Let's discuss how you can implement the DevOps in your project.